The November software update that caused chaos to millions of Galaxy phones. Set this properly so that you don't have any issues with your device. Now, if you have recently updated your software with the November security update, then you may run into issues with not being able to use your USB port except for charging. So if you like to use your USB adapter for on-the-go connections, or if you are connecting to your computer, you may notice that you are unable to transfer files or music or pictures because the USB port has been blocked or has been disabled. So the only thing that you can do after the software update is you can only charge. Okay, so if you want to be able to use your USB port for other purposes other than charging, what you need to do is to go back to the home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we scroll down and in here tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and tap on auto blocker. Now in auto blocker, we go down and tap on maximum restrictions. In here, there are some changes, and if you have maximum restrictions turned on by default, then what happened is with the November update, it also include a USB connection in here, where when you switch it on, it will block any USB connection, except that you can only charge. Okay, so what you want to do or what you need to do is to turn off maximum restrictions. Now with maximum restrictions, it helps to protect your device. So here it turns on app protection, blocks device admin apps, and blocks auto downloading attachments, and blocks hyperlinks and previews. So it helps to do a lot of things that helps you to increase your security. However, one of the issues is that it also block any connections via the USB port, so that people cannot hack you or they cannot install malicious software by inserting the USB drive and then transfer the apps into your device. So that increases your security and protection. However, that also block you from being able to connect to a computer. So in here, what you want to do is go down. So again, we swipe down and tap on settings. Then we go into security and privacy, and then go down and tap on auto blocker. Then tap on maximum restrictions. At the top here, make sure you switch it off. And then after that, you will be able to use your phone to connect to a computer to transfer files, music, videos, and so on. You will also be able to use your USB adapter so that you can connect to your USB drive or other devices such as a mouse or a keyboard. And after you have finished, if you want, you can turn on maximum restrictions again to put back your protections or the security on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.